Company name: Inalfa Gabriel Sunroof System. Tier 1 to supplier to Kia and Hyundai. Eligibility: gender male and female, both eligible. Educational qualification: ITI, Diploma, any degree candidates. Department production. Nature of work: assembly line operations for automotive sunroof systems. Assembling sunroof components including glass, motor, wiring harness, and complete assemblies. Completing full module assemblies in strict adherence to production quality and safety standards. Details: any degree 22,000 per month. Diploma to 1500 per month. ITI to 0500 per month. As per company norms. Age limit 18 to 25. Facilities: food available. Transport facilities available. Vallam, Sriperumbudur, Sunguvarchatiram. Duty hours 8. Rotational shifts. Location: Sunguvarchatiram, Sriperumbudur. 7013838414. Create a thumbnail YouTube image.